Hello all, welcome back to our new session. In this session we are going to discuss about maintaining fiscal year variant. Okay, in my previous session I have explained you clearly about fiscal year, what is meant by a fiscal year and what is meant by a calendar year, what is meant by a non-calendar year and what is meant by year dependent and year shift. Okay, if you want to know, you could follow my previous sessions. I would attach the thumbnail in the end of the video. Okay, now let's see what is meant by a fiscal year variant and how to maintain the fiscal year variant. Okay, fiscal year variant is nothing but a financial year where about 12 months of financial transactions been calculated by Sap. Okay, OB29. Hit enter. You will get a pop-up page like this. Click on the position, search for V3, hit enter. Here you can tick on this, click on copy as or else F6 button. Give FV as a fiscal year variant. You should tick on the calendar year, hit enter. You should click on the copy all. Number of dependents entries copied 446. Okay, done. Now you could see that FV fiscal year variant has been created for us, and you should tick on this, click on the period text, yes, and the description has been already given, maintaining fiscal year variant. You should click on the entry. Now tick on this and double click on the period text. See, you can change the language, give EN, hit enter. See, here you could see like the fiscal year which we have created is FV and it is from April to March and it has 4 special periods. Number of posting periods are 12 and special periods are 4, and it is a calendar year, like the SAP will easily accept the calendar year. So here the April will be considered as the first period, May will be considered as second period, June will be considered as third period, July will be considered as fourth period. Okay, likewise you could see till March is considered as 12th period, and 13th special period, 14th special period. This is what the fiscal year variant, and you could save this. Data was already saved. Okay, let's once again verify. Give /n, give OB29, hit enter. You could search with FV, hit enter. Here you could see the fiscal year variant which is created for our company. Okay, fiscal year variant, and in our upcoming session let's assign this FV fiscal year variant to our company code. Okay, and once again I am repeating, like if you want to understand clearly about the fiscal year variant, you should follow my previous sessions so that you will get a clear viewpoint about the fiscal year variant. Okay, at the end of the video here I am mentioning you the fiscal year variant video. You could go and check that video for getting a clear viewpoint. Okay, that's all for this session, guys. I hope you guys understand well about this topic. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comments. And you could give a like if you feel my explanation is worth, and you could share this video to your friends who are willing to join Sap Fico, and you could subscribe the channel for more upcoming sessions. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.